In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet with two monitors. This can enhance your video conferencing experience by allowing you to better manage your controls and present information more effectively. First things first, let's get your second monitor set up. Begin by connecting your second monitor to your computer using the appropriate cable like HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C. Once that's securely connected, you'll want to set up the display extension. If you're on Windows, a quick way to do this is by pressing the Windows key and the letter P simultaneously. This will bring up display options where you'll select Extend. For Mac users, head over to System Settings, then click on Displays, and finally Arrangement. Here, you can arrange your displays to work as an extended desktop. With your second monitor ready, it's time to navigate to Google Meet. In your web browser, go to the Google Meet website and click on the Sign In button. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account by entering your credentials. From the home page, you can click on New Meeting to get started. Now, opt to start an instant meeting, which will initiate a new meeting session right away. Next, you'll want to drag the Google Meet window to your primary monitor, which will help you maintain your view of the camera, participants, and chat on the same screen. This positioning is essential for staying engaged with your audience. Once your meeting starts and you need to share content, navigate over to your Google Meet controls and click on Present Now. Here, you can choose to present a window or tab specifically. This is the point where you'll select any app, file, or browser tab open on your second monitor. By doing this, your audience will only see the content on your second monitor, giving you the freedom to keep your meeting controls on the first without disruption. If a prompt appears asking you to share your screen nevertheless, simply click Show My Screen Anyway to proceed. Don't forget to optimize your setup. Keep your Google Meet controls, chat, and participants on your main monitor, while presentations, slides, or documents should be open on the extended monitor. For a bonus tip, if you're teaching or making a presentation, keep your notes on one screen while sharing the other. This way, your audience will only see what's important, keeping them focused on your presentation. This method maximizes your efficiency and minimizes distractions during your meetings. By following these steps, you should now have a seamless experience using Google Meet with two monitors. Remember, this setup not only makes presenting easier, but also enhances your ability to interact with your participants more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your future